Doctors, engineers, lawyers, some of the highest paid professionals in society. They spend years in school, sacrifice sleep, work insane hours, and finally, the big paycheck comes in. 6 figures, maybe even more. And yet, many of them are one step away from broke. Why? Because income isn't wealth. And without financial literacy, even the smartest professionals can end up stuck in the same money trap as everyone else. High salary creates the illusion of being rich. $150K a year sounds rich, but once taxes, mortgages, loans, car payments, and lifestyle creep kick in, there's little left. People confuse earning power with wealth building. Being paid well is not the same as being wealthy. Wealth is what you keep and what you grow, not what you earn. Schools teach math, science, and law, but never money. A doctor might know the human body inside out, but knows nothing about compound interest, investing, or asset allocation. An engineer can design a bridge, but doesn't know how to build passive income streams. A lawyer can read 100-page contracts, but may not understand how credit card debt silently eats away at wealth. They mastered their professions, but ignored the one subject that runs every profession: money. Many high-income professionals fall into a subtle trap: complacency. They think, I earn enough, I'm doing fine. But the cost of complacency is invisible. Every year, inflation eats away at their purchasing power. Every year, they miss out on compounding returns by leaving money idle. Imagine this. Dr. Smith keeps all his savings in a regular bank account earning 1% interest, while Sarah invests consistently in low-cost index funds earning 7% annually. 10 years later, Dr. Smith has barely grown his net worth, while Sarah's investments have multiplied several times over. Complacency isn't about spending. It's about not actively managing and growing your wealth. High income alone does not guarantee financial freedom. Without action, it quietly disappears. Earning a lot is easy. Growing it wisely is where most professionals fail.
Relying on a single salary, even a 6-figure one, is risky. Doctors, engineers, and lawyers may earn well, but their income stops the moment they stop working. The solution? Multiple income streams. This doesn't mean quitting your job. It means leveraging skills, investments, or side ventures. Sarah, our engineer example, started freelancing online and invested in dividend stocks. These streams created passive cash flow that keeps working even when she's not actively working. High earners who diversify their income protect themselves from layoffs, medical emergencies, or market changes. They don't just work for money, they make money work for them. Salary is temporary. Assets and multiple income streams are permanent. Once the big paycheck arrives, so do the big expenses. Doctors upgrade to luxury cars. Engineers buy bigger houses. Lawyers chase high-status lifestyles. The more they earn, the more they spend. The paycheck grows, but so do the chains. Debt becomes normalized. Student loans, mortgages, car loans, even credit card balances. Instead of building freedom, they're building golden cages. Example: doctor earns $200K, but with $1,200 a month car payment, $4,000 a month mortgage, $200,000 in student loans, and lifestyle spending, he's left with nothing to invest. He's a high earner, but financially fragile. Story 2. Sarah, an engineer, earns $80K, but she saves 20%, invests in index funds, builds side income, and within 10 years, she has more assets than Dr. Smith. The lesson? Salary does not equal security. Wealth is assets, not paychecks.
High-income professionals often fall into a psychological trap, the feeling that more money justifies more spending. It's called lifestyle creep. Your salary goes up, so suddenly a bigger house, luxury car, or designer items feel normal. The danger is you're always running to catch your paycheck. Even earning $200K, if you spend $195K, you're not wealthier than someone earning $50K who lives below their means and invests wisely. The mindset shift is simple but powerful. Wealth isn't what you earn, it's what you keep and grow. High earners who master self-control, budgeting, and delayed gratification can turn a paycheck into true long-term financial freedom. The key takeaway: don't let your income define your lifestyle. Let your assets and investments define your future. Earning a high salary is just one part of the equation. The real difference comes when you use your skills to make money work for you. Doctors, engineers, and lawyers often overlook this. Your profession gives you credibility and expertise that can be leveraged into businesses, investments, or consulting. A lawyer could teach online courses or create a niche legal consulting service. An engineer could design software tools or freelance for global clients. A doctor could offer telemedicine consultations or health coaching. By leveraging your knowledge instead of trading hours for dollars, you create scalable income. Over time, this builds financial security that isn't tied to a single paycheck. The key takeaway: skills create leverage. Leverage creates income, and income compounded wisely creates true wealth.
The real path to wealth. Step 1. Learn money basics: budgeting, investing, compound growth. Step 2. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Live below your means even with a high income. Step 3. Build assets: stocks, real estate, businesses. Step 4. Focus on freedom, not flexing. Quote, "Wealthy people buy assets. Broke people buy liabilities disguised as luxury." Doctors, engineers, lawyers, they were trained to save lives, build structures, and fight cases. But the one fight they were never trained for was the fight for financial freedom. The truth is, wealth isn't about your degree, your salary, or your title. It's about what you know, what you keep, and what you grow. And until professionals start learning money, they'll remain one paycheck away from broke.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video valuable, please consider subscribing to our channel and turning on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support helps us create more meaningful content for you, and we truly appreciate it.